Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is actually still the 26th, but this video will be going up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the 27th. And so by the time you see this video, I will be back in West Virginia. I'm going to be heading out of here at some point tonight. I just finished packing up this car, or truck I should say, I'm sorry. Packing up the truck. And so everything's got to go eventually, right? I mean, we all know that. I got a ton of stuff that I have to bring down. So every load that I can utilize to do that. And what I'm trying to do at the same time is I'm trying to open up the house in here to make it look more spacious. So the majority of the stuff on this load came out of the house. So just to remind everybody, when you do see this video, that I will be live streaming tonight at 8 p.m. And that'll be obviously on Wednesday at 8 p.m. And we'll figure out what we're going to talk about when I post that to get it ready. But I figured I would get this video made, you know, show you what I got packed up here. And obviously I'm going to put a tarp over the top of all of this and go from there. I'm bringing down a ton of canned goods on this trip. Not even close to what I have all, but it's a little dent. It's a little dent, so it's not a bad thing. So yeah, I'm just like, as I'm packing everything up, I'm going, oh my God. But the house does look more open now with everything out of there. But so anyway, got canned goods here in the back. I have the wheelbarrow. I wanted to bring the wheelbarrow down in this trip because I definitely need it. I got my 6-foot ladder that I'm bringing on this trip as well. Now this here, guys, this pan, this is a really cool pan. You put that over the grill on a fire, you can cook a whole bunch of stuff on this one. This was given to me quite some time ago, and I have not yet had a chance to utilize that. And so I figure when we do our group get-together in West Virginia, we can utilize this puppy and have a nice big old cookout on this type of thing here. A couple of dog dishes for Hella. I got my crossbow back here. I'm bringing more gas down with me, so I will have that on site. I brought some of the gallon jars of, for canning jars as well. I figure I can utilize them as I go along. Some piping. I'm going to obviously need piping when I start, doing waters or doing the water and stuff like that. So I got 2 different sizes here, and so had it here. I'm like, well, I'm not going to use it here. I will use it in West Virginia. So let me get it down there. So that's what I did here. I'll show you this here. Now normally the truck would be completely packed, but what I have got done here is an area for Hella, so she can either sit on the floor, she can lay down up here and stuff like that. I got stuff packed up that way as well, and I will go around here. So I'm actually going to put this up now since I showed you that part of it. I got my rope here so I can tie everything off, and then in the front, V8, apple juice, oatmeal, instant coffee, instant mashed potatoes, a lot of drink mixes. I'm bringing a lot of those down. I have my drone, so some of you will be happy with that. I have a couple of walkie-talkies that were given to me through, they wanted me to do a review on them, and of course I haven't done a review on them yet. I actually remembered to bring my tripod. So yeah, so we're packed up pretty good, and then what'll finish up here, I'll have my camera bag will go in here, and then I'll have also my travel duffel bag that will go on top of here. And so I am ready to get this squared away. So what I'm going to do now, just give you an idea too. I mean, there's just this whole back level here is nothing but canned goods. I got more canned goods in there. There's more canned goods there. So yeah, it's a good amount of canned goods are going down on this trip. Like I said, it's all got to go down. I figure, the wheelbarrow I definitely need down in West Virginia. The ladder I definitely need in West Virginia. So I figure, well, I'll just start getting these things that I need, get them down here, and go from there. So what I'm going to end up doing once I put the tarp on here, I think I'm going to go with this tarp because this one looks cleaner. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll throw that one on. I don't know. So, but anyway, once I get the tarp on here and tie it all down, I'm probably going to take a nap and get a little couple hours of sleep, and then when I get up, because it's probably about 5:30 in the afternoon right now, but I will definitely be taking a nap and getting ready to hit the road. And when I wake up from my nap, I will just a matter of packing up the last little bit of things, and on the way we go, and on to the next adventure. But like I said, every load like this that I take, it's that much less that I got to bring down later on. So that's just a good thing. When I come back up the next time, obviously I will bring the trailer with me, and then I will be bringing the four-wheeler down on the next trip. So I may be down in West Virginia for a week, 10 days, I don't know yet. Maybe 2 weeks, I'm not 100% sure yet. I have to figure that all out, but I'm going to need to make a trip back up here, even if it's to come up here, spend 2 days, and then pack it all up, pack up again, another load, and head back out again. It may be something like that. And so that's, I should probably grab that there too. That is a push mower with obviously no batteries. Old school lawnmower that, was very popular back in the 50s. But I picked that up some time ago as well, and it's an awesome thing to have. So anyway, so that's my game plan. I really don't always like to tell everybody exactly when I'm leaving, just for OPSEC, and but we'll get down there, and we'll get going with. I got plenty to do down there, so I don't know if I'll be down there for 2 weeks or maybe a little longer. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to kind of see where I'm at, what I can get done, and time-wise and weather-wise. Obviously, that's going to play a factor as well. So, if the weather's crappy in West Virginia, maybe I'll take off for a day or two, come back up here with the trailer, and get another load. So I definitely need that four-wheeler down there. So I want to get that down there before the weather really changes a ton. So we'll see. But so that is the game plan. But anyway, so I hope you guys, just this is how we pack it up. So I think I may take that. I can get that up in there. Let's take a walk over here. That's a bigger tarp. I think I'm going to go with a smaller tarp. Very old school lawnmower. It has been sitting there for quite some time, as you can see, with all the sticks and crap and everything in there. But I think that I got room. So I will put that there. But there we are. I will take that down, and I will utilize that down there. That'll be a good thing. So, and again, it's got to go anyway. So I got room on this trip. Might as well throw it in there. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. Just want to give you guys kind of like an update video, what's going on. So again, by the time you see this video, I will be back in West Virginia. And you will be seeing me on the live stream Wednesday night at 8 p.m. So definitely look for me then, and we will go from there. But it's been a good day. Like I said, just I'm going to be obviously taking Hella with me on this trip. So we'll get things rolling, and we'll see how she does traveling-wise. That's going to be interesting. But I think she'll be okay. She'll be fine. So anyway, guys, real quick, my Legacy freeze-dried food sale is still going on right now. That is going to be ending on the 1st of May. When 1st of May comes, the prices of the Legacy freeze-dried food will be increased as well. So I wanted to do this sale before the price increase. So if you want to take advantage of that, you go to my website, preppernurse1.com. You click on store, it will drop down. You will see Legacy Foods. You click on that, and it will take you to the store in the website. Once you're there, if you decide to make a purchase, make sure you use the discount code SPRINGSALE2022. Okay, you'll save 20% on your purchase at this time, and that sale is going to be ending April 30th. Will be the last day of the sale. So definitely take advantage. It's winding down, obviously, so definitely take advantage of that. Also, guys, on my website we have the JDega, which is now listen to me, JDega. Oh my God, I can't believe I said JDega. We have Forefathers Organic. Wow, that brings back some different memories. Forefathers Organic. It is, if you see their logo, you click on that, it will take you to their website. Once you are on their website, you can save yourself 15% on your purchase by using the discount code PrepperNurse1. CBD products and hemp products, you know, good to have, especially the CBD products after SHTF is a good thing. So definitely take advantage of that. Also, gosh, my brain is just not working, guys. I'm sorry. We also have the PN1 community on my website as well. Take advantage of that. You do have to register, but there's no credit card information. It is free to join. Once you're in, check out the message boards. Also check out for people in your state or in your country. All right. Anyway, I am going to jump off of here for now. I hope you all are doing great. Remember, folks, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we are going to be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important to tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only person that is going to stop you from reaching your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. If you keep a positive attitude, set realistic goals, and then set about to making them happen, anything is possible. All right, so just keep plugging along. You're going to be just fine. Have a great day. I will see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.